this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back just to kind of show you a quick sort of flip through of what it looks like when it's being used. So this is the composition notebook that I made for my school year. It's a work in progress. It's one that it's going to be filled with things, and maybe at the end of the year I'll show you what it looks like when it's completely filled, so you can get, an idea of how to make one, what it looks like when it's prepped and ready to be used, and then what it looks like when it's done at the end of the year. So I might do it might be a 3-part series, because I think that would be kind of cool, so you guys can kind of see that, because I think you can see just how functional this type of project is. So I do have a pocket here, and so I am going to be probably pasting in things that I'm going to need throughout the year that I can't have handy. So calendars from the school, bell schedules, handouts and things that I need to have handy, phone numbers, whatever that I need to have handy, email addresses, not email addresses, what do you call those? Websites that I use, that I normally have bookmarked on site that I need to use. So I think that this is going to be the tool to house that, so that everything that I usually have handy at work, I can have handy here at home. Okay, so I did show how I do my labels, but when I do my calendar, this is how it looks. So I only decorated through January because I needed more stuff to decorate from February, March, and April, and May, so I didn't do that. But this kind of gives you a look-see, so I don't really worry about things bleeding through, because this is like a dollar project. To me, it's a dollar project because I already have the paper. The notebook cost $1. So, but this one's August, and so I've decorated it. I've used a bunch of stamps. These stamps are from, I think, Sassy Stamps. And then I just used my, this is the Catherine Pooler stencil. So I used that. And then I just wrote in the numbers. I have fairly neat handwriting, so it doesn't really bother me. So I just kind of did that. And then, so that's August. You can see I've already started to fill in things. I'm kind of waiting before I fill in more things in case there's some changes to our calendar. But like meetings and things that I'm doing, I can put in here. Okay, so this is September. So on the side here, I can write notes or goals or anything I want to put here. I even put in some holidays with a holiday stamp. I put in my ex-husband's weekends. I always put that in with my work calendar, because a lot of times when I'm doing things during my lunch or, with anything, it's right there and I can see really quickly. I put that wherever calendar I have. I put that so I know how my kids are not. This is October, November, and here's December, January, and then I didn't really decorate yet for February, March. I did put in all the holidays for those and the last day of school. I have a couple blank pages back here, which will be for whatever notes I need to make in terms of calendar or anything I need to paste in for a calendar. I'll put that there. And then here is my daily, what my daily looks like. So I have 1 page per day. So on the top, I could date what days they are. And then here I could put the things I've either done or I'm going to do for those days, any meetings I have scheduled. These are any notes that I need to take, or any things I need to remember, because I write a lot of notes. I could put that there. And so I have one for each day. So yeah, I did stamp all of that. I did do that. So that part, it didn't take that long to make this, but just so you know, that's kind of what I did. So meeting notes, this section is completely blank because I don't know how much meetings I'm going to have, or I'm just going to do a continuous list of meetings. So I've got, leadership on site. I have a leadership, district, any librarian meetings, collaboration meetings, meetings with the principal. So we'll see how far this takes me. So, and then book lists and projects. I just did a really simple, like, decorations here and there. I'll just pop little cute little stamps in the corners or whatever. So get an idea. So that is my work in progress. So I might do a video 6 months in or a year in or whatever, so that you guys can get an idea of what it looks like when it is used, to give you guys an idea of how something like this can be really functional and also good for school projects too, or if you're a teacher, it's a good way to keep yourself organized. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.